Kate, I went to get some coffee and it was much milder than usual.
Feels comfortable outside. I would
muggy.
say, yeah, a little bit. You probably would still even want a jacket walking out the door. There are some clouds, but it really is. For February, not bad.
Complaints,
No complaints, not even from you.
No.
Yeah, it's nice outside. So we can start actually things off just by looking at what's average. Where would we normally be on February 15th in any given year here in Philadelphia? The normal high is 44, so we are far exceeding that already. We are still pretty far cry from the record. That was last set in 1949, so quite a while ago, but we're going to be a good solid, well, almost 10 degrees shy of that here today. In the meantime, we were already long exceeding what's normal even as early as this morning. We ended up at about 43 for an early morning low, and that happened even just shy of when the sun came up. So we've been only rebounding ever since that point. Looking at Storm Scan 3, lots of clouds currently, some hint of precip far off to the west. Eventually that is going to spread back in as early as this evening through the northern tier of our region, but then it'll spread through the entire region through the overnight hours. So it's almost like a repeat performance of what happened last night, although this time the showers likely linger a little bit longer than they had the opportunity to do so here today. So that's what to expect later on this evening. In the meantime, the temperature change in the last 24 hours, really not all that impressive in Philly or in Reading, but in Millville, Atlantic City, it's feeling downright balmy right now. 12 degrees difference in Atlantic City equates to almost 60 currently at Atlantic City International. You do have a decent breeze, but it's coming out of the southwest right now. So while you might notice that, it doesn't really add too much to a wind chill as we had discussed earlier, but that does, 52 degrees to start off the afternoon is not bad. Let's talk about the weekend. Now, before we get into this, I want to just clarify we are looking at model data. That is important. The first model I'm going to show you here is the GFS model. It's one of the main ones that we do tend to look at. However, in this scenario, it's throwing us curveballs. It's been flipping back and forth. Right now, the latest run puts a rain snow line right along I-95. So it would be warm enough that we'd see at least some rain mixing in with this that would limit your snowfall totals in the city, but you could see a couple of inches with no problem in the Lehigh Valley and the Poconos. Then we switch over to that European model, which brings this system, or at least the rain snow line, a little bit further to the south and east. That keeps us in the coldest of the air in Philly, and that would mean that we could see a couple of inches of snow with no problem. But here's the thing. It's so warm right now. It's going to rebound on the thermometer very quickly even when this gets out of here. So even if this ends up panning out, either one of these, and we ended up with 3 inches of snow on the ground, come Sunday afternoon, most of it would be melting away. So you shouldn't have too big of a shoveling operation, but Saturday night into very early Sunday could be a little dicey for your travel. So this is more than anything, frankly, a nuisance of a system for us, but the timing is less than ideal if you maybe pushed your Valentine's Day plans to the upcoming weekend. For tonight, anyway, the showers are going to be returning, as we had mentioned, but it's too warm for anything but plain old rain. You're down to 54 degrees. And then looking ahead, coldest day of the bunch does come Saturday to set the stage for that storm to come in here. And then we look ahead and we're rebounding all over again. So a forecast that's sandwiched in here with multiple 60+ degree days. And there will again still be some activity to track. As early as President's Day, there might be a few rain showers that move in. So no rest for the weary. I feel like we might have said that yesterday, but it definitely pertains today as well.